Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Whiskey Distillery Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to delve into the world of distilling, allowing you to craft your own unique whiskey from the comfort of your home. This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from selecting the right kit to mastering the distillation process, ensuring you produce a spirit you'll be proud of. Number 5. VEVOR 9.6 gallons alcohol still. It boasts an 8-gallon fermentation capacity, with a boiler and condenser sized perfectly for fermenting up to 30 liters. That's plenty for family gatherings. It's made with food-grade silicone, stainless steel, and copper, ensuring safe and delicious results for your home brewing. The open cooling method, copper coil, and insulated rubber pad create rapid and efficient cooling for optimal distillation. A built-in thermometer displays both Celsius and Fahrenheit, allowing you to easily monitor the temperature throughout the process. Food-grade silicone tubes, 4 buckles, and silicone gaskets create an airtight seal, preventing leaks and ensuring efficient distillation. A one-way exhaust valve is also included. It's incredibly versatile. Create a wide variety of distilled beverages, from whiskey and wine to brandy and more, using various heating methods. What we like. It boasts a large capacity, perfect for parties. Its rapid cooling system ensures efficient distillation. The built-in thermometer makes operation simple. If you need a user-friendly, high-capacity distiller for larger batches, this is the one for you. What people say. It was my first time ever using a still and I'm so glad I tried this one. It is user-friendly and wasn't complicated at all like I anticipated it would be. Upon arrival, I noted that the item is constructed of high-grade steel and copper. Assembly was pretty straightforward as noted by the included instructions. For those using the still to distill water, the item works flawlessly and the distilled water is easily collected for later use. Ran my first batch last night, and it worked like a champ. This thing is massive though. I had to split burners on my stove to run it, but would work great on a propane burner. Number 4. Seeutek alcohol still. Setting it up is a breeze. It comes with a user manual and online video tutorial. Everything you need is included, so you can start distilling right away. It's made from high-quality 304 stainless steel. This ensures it's easy to clean and prevents residue buildup, keeping your distillations pure. The extended copper coil and water pump work together to significantly speed up the cooling process. You'll get more distillate in less time. A superior sealing system prevents leaks, preserving the quality of your distillate. The secure handles make the process easier and minimize waste. It works on various stovetops, from gas to electric to wood. It's perfect for making a wide range of distilled beverages and hydrosols. What we like. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it's durable and easy to clean. The efficient cooling system speeds up the brewing process. Its airtight seal preserves the purity of your distillate. If you value durability, speed, and superior taste, this is your ideal choice. Number 3. VEVOR 8 gallons water alcohol distiller. This distiller is perfect for home use, making it easy to create your favorite spirits. Its 304 stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning. It features a new style condenser with an open-type cooling method for a larger contact area and lower temperature. This results in purer liquors and faster cooling. Unlike older models, it has an upgraded exhaust port to remove impurities like methanol and acetaldehyde, ensuring a better taste and higher quality product. The tight seal minimizes oxygen contact during steaming. It comes with everything you need: a thermometer, evacuation valve, vanometer, and submersible pump. The arched lid and secure buckles ensure a safe and efficient distillation process. It's suitable for distilling various beverages, including fruit wine, whiskey, and essential oils. The thickened stainless steel bottom works with various heating methods, offering great flexibility. With its durable construction, efficient design, and complete set of accessories, this distiller provides a superior distilling experience. Enjoy creating your own spirits at home. What we like. This model features an innovative condenser for efficient condensation and superior liquor purity. The exhaust port removes impurities for a cleaner taste. It comes with all the necessary accessories. If you prioritize purity and convenience, this is the perfect option. What people say. The perfect size for my homebrewing needs, 8-gallon 32 liters, and comes as a complete kit, so check out the list of included supplies, including a water pump. Everything arrived in good shape and packaging with no damaged parts noted. Love the shape of the lid, the clamp connection to the condenser, false bottom. The product arrived earlier than expected. I expected a fair product for the price, and was very pleased to find an excellent distillation unit. The stainless is thicker than I expected and it is well made. Number 2. VEVOR 13.2 gallons alcohol still. It boasts a 13.2 gallon fermentation capacity, with a boiler and condenser sized perfectly for fermenting up to 50 liters. It's ideal for family gatherings and using food-grade materials throughout. This system uses an open cooling method with a copper coil for rapid heat transfer. A circulating water pump and insulated condenser base further enhance cooling efficiency, saving water. A built-in thermometer displays the temperature in both Celsius and Fahrenheit, allowing you to easily monitor the distillation process in real time. Food-grade silicone tubes, 4 buckles, and silicone gaskets create a tight seal, preventing leaks. A one-way exhaust valve is included for easy use during fermentation. It can be used to make a wide variety of distilled beverages, including whiskey, wine, brandy, and more. Its thickened bottom is compatible with various heating methods. What we like. With its massive capacity, it's perfect for large-scale distilling. The rapid cooling system ensures efficient and quick distillation. The user-friendly design makes operation a breeze. If you need a large-capacity distiller for big batches, this one is for you. What people say. Worked well, wish the coil was a bit better, but pot quality was better than I thought. So far it has worked great. Came on time and was easy to set up and operate. The temperature gauge on the tank show a temperature that the best I can figure is only 0.5 degrees C off. The auto shut-off feature works great. It leaves just enough water in the tank that you don't get a buildup of scale on the bottom from boiling all the water away. Number 1. VEVOR 8 gallons alcohol still. This 8-gallon alcohol still offers ample capacity for your distilling needs, allowing you to process up to 30 liters of material. It's constructed from food-grade materials for safety and quality. Its open-type cooling system, featuring copper coils and a circulating water pump, ensures rapid and efficient cooling. The large contact area and rubber pads further enhance cooling performance. A built-in thermometer with dual Celsius and Fahrenheit readings allows for precise temperature monitoring during the distillation process. The design also simplifies water circulation for optimal cooling. Food-grade silicone tubes provide flexibility and durability, ensuring efficient water flow. A tight seal is achieved with quick clips and a silicone gasket, while an air evacuation valve supports grain fermentation. It's suitable for various applications, from distilling fruit wines and brandy to purifying water. The thickened bottom is compatible with multiple heating methods, offering great versatility. What we like. This distiller offers a substantial capacity for your distilling needs. The speedy cooling system ensures efficient distillation. Its convenient design makes the process easy. If you are looking for a balance of capacity, speed, and ease of use, this is a great option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.